DaBaby's in the chart. Rain, go away. Come and book another day. Let's go. Say, run away. Say, damn. Oh! Damn! Yeah! See? What's going with your YouTube? What up, everybody? Hold on. Let me do fuck. Let me do like DaBaby. Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy DaBaby in the building. Yo, oh shit! God, okay, fuck it up. Okay. What up, YouTube? It's my boy. Fuck! Hold on. I got it. What up, YouTube? It's your boy DaBaby. Rain, just drop. Go check it out. Live on YouTube. Peace. Whoa! Yo, tell me about that, DaBaby. Hold on. Do you think I did it right? Yo, chat. Did I do it right? Like DaBaby? Yo, what up? It's DaBaby, but what am I keep on? Okay, you know what? Let me do it one more time, then get back to the reaction. Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy DaBaby. It doesn't say that. He doesn't say that. Okay. What up, YouTube? Is DaBaby. Rain just dropped. Go check it out on YouTube. Peace. Let's go! Chat, I did it right. Huh? Another day. Woo! Wait. Say. Whoa. Say. Damn. Woo. Yo, I know I normally do reaction video, but nigga fuck with DaBaby. DaBaby. Fuck. I'm not even gonna cop. One thing I'm always like cussing and everything is because of DaBaby. Like that ass. Bro, I've been listening to a lot of DaBaby songs. No cop. Listen, listen, no cop. I ain't even playing right now. Well, my favorite song, how might I say? Fuck it, nah, bro, I'm tripping. Hold on. Nah, god damn, you got me this time. Shit. Let me just say shit, because what am I even supposed to say? Say. Yeah. Chat, I don't even know what you just had, but that was hard. That was hard, like, damn. That be crazy. Hold on. I'm about to play this line one more time, okay? Tell me this shit hard or not, chat. Like, dead ass. Here. No. I just played it after he said it. Listen. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Hey, they can fuck with me. Say.
Some things they say is better left alone. She tried to pour me out her heart and got her letter left at home. I couldn't kick it with her kind, but still I could have let her home.
Woo! Damn. Damn. Okay. Nah, that's some crazy ass shit. You in Miami eating spinach? Nah, bro, I'm in Miami, bro. Hold on. I'm in Miami eating ass. I ain't gonna lie, dog. I ain't gonna lie. like, what the hell? We in Miami eating spinach? What? God, bro, I'm about to eat my. Hold on. The only place that I can eat spinach, bruh. Hey, let's just do a place like Ohio. I don't know, New Orleans. My homeland. You feel me? My homeland. Oh, like my home. I'm from Philly, nigga. I'm from Philly. Always Philly, bro. We can do spinach, Philly, but Miami, we eating ass. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Whoa! Say. Damn. Woo! Lay down and end the flow. You feel me? Stop playing, my nigga. Stop playing, my nigga. This is the baby, the best. Look, if you ask me, my best rappers, you already know what time it is. It's the baby. Alright, hold on. No knife, feel me? It's like, yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy. No knife, feel me? Like that cooking content, right? Like, I'm the only real nigga who can cook. You feel me? Stop playing! I told you, nigga. I told you, bro. No knife. What's up, no knife? What's up, no knife? I'm about to all my line this motherfucker, bitch. Listen to me. Shit, yo, you already know what time it is. This is the mud. You know what time it is? Yo, like, to that the reason you wanna come home and tell me the fact or not. I got my charger, my fry, but my plug is 0 watch room. Tell me what you think, chat. Big DaBaby's in the chat.